go. Really, four really nice big fish in there. Good call. So that's the first catch with the Katiska. Four enormous. Oh, Vinny, really beautiful. I think it's paid for itself just with those four fish there. Really wonderful looking. And it wasn't even deep in the water, it was only about 1.5 meters or something like that. And no small ones, just all big ones. Beauties. Really nice. So I'll have to take them home and get them gutted and fried, or I might even do them here and put them into a smoker. But that's it. Katiska works. To fish with this, you need this kalastuslopa. It's tied onto this bottle, and this is, I think, how it works. But the fish come along. This is pointing out towards the shore, and the fish come along and they hit the net, and then they want to escape, and they swim that way and just go into the cage, and that's it. Or if they're swimming that way, they go in through there into the cage, and that's how you get them. It's a really ingenious trap, and this is the little lock here for opening it up and taking the fish out. So yeah, fish for a poor pensioner.